If you are looking for the best electric paint sprayer, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Home Bright Finish Max Fine C800766 electric paint sprayer. Painting a room or even furniture can pose itself a daunting experience at times, especially when you have a whole lot of ground to cover. Nevertheless, the Home Bright Finish Max Fine C800766 is definitely a device that qualifies as a game changer all around. It really gives meaning to this phrase: once you go electric paint sprayer, you never go back. If that was an actual saying, it would not be far from the truth, as once you start using this paint sprayer, it will be extremely hard to go back to using a brush or a roller to do the same job. It is a great paint spray gun to use as a first-time sprayer with its easy setup process and easy spraying access, as well as the fact that it is also easy to clean as a whole. This is as a result of its overall simplified design that compromises a few parts, and as such, you can wave goodbye to complicated devices that leave you puzzled at the end of the day. Another thing that this paint sprayer has going for it is the fact that it is as light as they coming, making it more than possible for it to fit perfectly in your hand without causing you any stress or fatigue in the long run. It is also offers up you general maneuverability around whatever it is that you are hoping to spray, and as an extension of that, you will achieve a finish that can be recognized as superior anywhere and anytime. With its 400 watts of power, this device has the ability to provide users with a very precise spraying pattern, which will create a finish that looks like it come out of a factory. All in all, this paint spray has a brass spray tip that is 0.8 inches, as well as an adjustable trigger control knob which comes in the petite size of 1 inch to 6 inches wide. If you have one of these in your house, then best believe that you have a versatile piece of equipment that can produce stellar results on just about anything, be it a wardrobe to be a dresser. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Wagner 0518050. This next spray gun is definitely one that is packed with a difference. The Wagner 0518050 controlled spray double duty paint sprayer stands out by making use of a two-stage indoor and outdoor rated air turbine, which in turn makes for a very fine finish on any given surface. On its own, it has certainly won the title of the best paint sprayer for home use with its suitability for projects of all magnitudes. For this purpose, it comes fitted with two material cups, a quart which can be used for interior work and a 1.5 quart cup which can be used for larger exterior work. As such, you can use it to work on a makeover for your deck, fence, and even your furniture. Additionally, you can use it to apply a number of materials such as stains, sealers, varnishes, and even lacquers. The possibilities with this paint sprayers are endless. With its 3 unique spray patterns, you can easily turn the air cup in order to spray horizontally, vertically, or circularly depending on the object you wish to transform. All in all, you can be sure that you are going to end up with the perfect finish, which is also a result of the high volume, low pressure, air power technology employed by this handheld paint sprayer. In addition to this, there is a two-stage indoor-outdoor rated turbine present, and with this, you can regulate the level of flow needed in both settings. You even have the option of adjusting the material volume by simply turning the regulator, which is present on the trigger, and this will, in turn, help you achieve that smooth flow that every painter wants to achieve. You best believe that this is one of the easiest to sprayer and can possibly make use of. All you have to do is to squeeze the trigger and the job is practically done. In the case that you are looking to add some texture to a wall or even a ceiling, then this is definitely the device for you. To crown it all, you do not have to waste time once you start on your project. With its 3-position air cap that adjusts the spray pattern for the vertical or horizontal fans, or even the round pattern shapes, you are most likely to get the job done as fast as can be and even more effectively. The number 3 position is held by Wagner 0529011 FLEXiO 570. This next airless sprayer packs a mean punch. The Wagner 0529011 FLEXiO 570 paint sprayer has the uncanny ability to spray an 8 feet by 10 feet surface in the short period of 2 to 6 minutes and can also spray up to 7.2 gallons per hour. This is the kind of efficiency it offers up, and best believe that it will deliver. It comes with an eye spray nozzle which is specifically designed without wear parts, and as a result, you can definitely count on it being a semi-permanent fixture in your life, and the fact that it also comes with adjustments that comes with horizontal and vertical as wide or even narrow patterns. This in turn provides a smooth and professional looking coating suitable for broad surfaces located both indoors and outdoors. As aforementioned, the nozzle adjustment themselves comprise of horizontal, vertical, wide as well as narrow patterns. Altogether, it is an outdoor-indoor handheld sprayer that you can use for all sorts of fun and challenging projects. It has two main control settings that offer up ideal coverage as well as low overspray. In addition to all this, there is a major plus in the fact that it is 50% lighter and 20% quicker than more traditional airless paint sprayers. What's more, this offers an unmatchable amount of power, which comes as a result of the presence of an X-boost turbine which delivers 65,000 RPMs, which is 3 times the more power in general, but you have total control over this power through the use of its adjustable control. You know that a product is as a stealer you can be as when it saves you a whole lot of time, seeing as it is an expensive commodity. With this paint sprayer that incorporates a high-end technology, you have the ability to produce a slight tipple yet roller-like finish which is quite suited for interior walls. You also have the ability to go into those edges, corners and even the broad surfaces can be covered in a short period of time. So you can say a big farewell to all the effort and time wasted with the brush and pour that into other things. Next, at number 4, we have Paint Sprayer neumaster N3140. The Paint Sprayer neumaster N3140 paint gun will definitely give you the sense that you have got the power. It was designed with an inbuilt turbofan which makes for strong airflow, and as an extension of that, there is an even flow as well as superior coverage, just as every user expected. This device is as easy to use as can be. With its lightweight design, there is nothing present on it that could possibly confuse you. It comes fitted with a detachable handle, and as such, this is one of the best bets for beginner paint sprayers out there. In addition, there is the presence of a shoulder strap as well as the flexible hose that will take your comfort to a whole new level as you make use of this paint sprayer. The fact that it is also easy to clean makes this one of the most user-friendly devices on the market. This assembling and reassembling it will give you zero hassles, and as such, you can use it for multiple projects as often as possible. The fact that it also provides the option of using one of its 3 spray patterns makes it one of the most versatile spray guns you can find. The mechanism that makes this possible comes in the form of an adjustable flow rate. The adjustable knob can be used to control the flow rate, which in turn enables a smooth and even application. This application pattern can either be horizontal, vertical or circular, so get ready to revolutionize the look of your furniture, shutters, fences and even your kids' toys. Similarly, the sprayer can use a number of materials ranging from water-dilutable enamel paints to 2-component paints, and can even use substances such as wood preservatives. At this point, there are almost no bounds to the work that can be done with this stellar airless paint sprayer. If you were wondering about the specs of this powerful yet graceful device, then fret not, because we have got them all. It offers up 600 watt max worth of power. Its viscosity is 16 dyne-S max. It is a 6.5-inch power cord, a 6-inch long air hose and a 0.12-inch black nozzle. Finally, at number 5, with Graco Ultra Coated Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer 17M359. Although it is agreeable that there is no such thing as a small job, the Graco Ultra Coated Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer 17M359 is a device that is designed to help you efficiently tackle these so-called small jobs. This airless paint sprayer has proven to be one of the fastest and most efficient ways to complete a small job, and this fact is backed up by actual professionals. These stellar handheld paint sprayers happens to be some of the most advanced pieces of equipment currently on the market, and they have their unbeatable speed, flawless finish as well as their all-around reliability as serious testaments to this fact. So why this is device solely for small projects? Well, those projects one would consider to be small need some love too, and as such, these devices are designed to be used in small interior as well as exterior specialty projects. Here you can experience firsthand the perfect airless finish at any speed, void of any thinning whatsoever, which is guaranteed when you pick up one of those babies. In addition, there is no reason to start up a sprayer that is visibly larger than the job at hand and then end up struggling to coat it to perfection when it is obviously not suited for the job at hand. Instead, get on board with this petite-sized beauty that packs a mean punch and get your job done in no time and with a certain quality that is like no other. A major feature that makes this stellar product stand out, even considering its size, is its one-of-a-kind triple piston pump that comes with Pro Connect. In addition to this, it is also important to know that it is a fully repairable sprayer. there is no need to throw it out after a glitch or two. It will definitely deliver on the front of having the capacity for extended life. To crown it all up, this particular airless paint sprayer comes from the factory fitted with a little number of test materials already present in the system, and as such, be sure not to get it all fired up without flushing out this material in order to avoid some unprecedented mistakes. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.